Happy Republic Day to all my lovely girls out there. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Although the mornings are very chilly, we have been experiencing very chilly winds throughout this week. And this morning I thought, why don't I share my winter care tips for you girls? All of us girls, we love winters. We love wearing our sweaters and jackets and love showing them off. But winters are very harsh for the skin especially. And although we tend for every other things in our life, we usually neglect our skin during winters, and it's not a very good thing to do. So maybe my video will serve as a reminder to all the girls to give your skin a priority as well. So without wasting any of your time, let's go through it one by one. Tip number 1 is hydration. In winters, we don't feel the need to drink water. We don't feel really thirsty during winters, but this is the main reason that our skin becomes dry throughout the day, because we don't provide it enough hydration. So tip number 1 is minimum 8 to 10 glasses of water. Even though you feel like it or not, you need to consume at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day. Make this a point and you will see the effects on your skin immediately. Tip number 2 is sunscreen. Now you girls would think, sunscreen during winters, why is it important? We don't really have very harsh sunlight. But girls, let me remind you, the maximum tanning we get is during winters. All of us have experienced that, and that is the reason I'm putting this out there. Please wear sunscreen every single time you go out, because even though the sun might not feel very harsh, but this is the time when your skin gets the most damage from the sun if you don't use the sunscreen. So make it a point to use the sunscreen every single day. Tip number 3 is to invest in a good moisturizer. There are a lot of products available in the market for use during winters, so I went ahead and researched what kind of moisturizers would be best suited for winters, and I found out that hyaluronic acid is the best thing to use during winters. So I did my research and I found out that Pond's Super Light Gel has hyaluronic acid as well as vitamin E in it, so this is a plus point. I have been using this for a month now, and I should tell you girls, this is the best product I have ever encountered so far, because it is non-greasy but it is very hydrating for my skin. Because even though my T-zone is very oily, but during winters I experience very dry skin patches all over the skin, but this has helped in that a lot. Tip number 4 is hydrating lip balms. I have extremely dry lips, so usually during winters they become even more aggressively dry. So I always carry lip balm with me everywhere I go. It's always in my pocket or in my pouch or in my purse. Everywhere I go I carry a lip balm. I suggest you do too, because chapped lips are a big no-no. Tip number 5 is hot oil massage for your scalp every alternate day. So every alternate day I'm saying because we tend to usually do it once or twice a week, but in winters our scalp becomes very dry, flaky and itchy. So to overcome that, we need to provide it hydration. So I recommend we do hot oil massages every alternate day. This would be very helpful for your hairs throughout the winter season. So girls, I hope you liked the tips that I shared with you. Although these are very general, but let this be a reminder for you girls to take care of your skin. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye for now.